I'm so pleased that Philip Dehaney is seeking help to try to get compensation, to try and get support for the extraordinary hurt caused to him by Alex Belfield. But what I find so bizarre is the principle of that support is already there because of Mr. Vine's court case and the agreement by Alex Belfield to pay him damages. Why is it not there automatically? Why does the law in this country not automatically help victims? I don't understand how somebody who was as vindictive and as criminal as Alex Belfield in his stalking process could then be let off with money in the bank that he then isn't pressured into giving to his victims. It makes no sense at all to me, and seems to me to be a mockery of the law. The law is there not simply to identify people who have done wrong, but also, primarily, it's there to support and help the victims of crime. But we seem to have forgotten that part because we're so enamoured of insurance, and we're so up ourselves with the idea of policing and the idea of catching the criminal that we forget about the victim. I think Philip Dehaney has extraordinary resilience and extraordinary capacity for keeping going in a situation where there is no support, and there should be support. There should be support. And I think I think his case should make us all scream out for the system to change. And people like Jeremy Vine, who have the power to get some sort of compensation for themselves, to get some sort of signal that they were victims and that Belfield should pay, I think they should be speaking out for someone like Dehaney in a bigger way. It's not just enough to say, well, let's have dinner. It should be that those people who have the name and who have the clout to push the law into doing what it should automatically be doing should be helping those who have less clout. Belfield made 30 videos about Dehaney, but he also encouraged other people to attack Philip, and that's what's so horrific. I'm people in power, people right up at the top, you punch up to those people who are right at the top, and it's perfectly okay, I think, to satirize people who are bloated with their own self-importance. But punching down to people that you just don't like for some reason, or people with whom you have some sort of vendetta, this cannot be excused. And Alex Belfield was somebody with enormous charisma, enormous potential, who wasted it all on the pursuit of stupid little vendettas and whipping up his audience into a nastiness mixed of lies and bullying. And Philip Dehaney was not the only person attacked. His parents were also attacked. This man, Belfield, found Dehaney's parents' telephone number, spoke to Dehaney's mother, broadcast that call, or threatened to broadcast that call. Just extraordinary. And Dehaney was one of the 4 people that the law found Belfield had stalked. Belfield was convicted of stalking 4 people. There were other people, but he was convicted of stalking 4 people. Those 4, all of them, should be receiving compensation, and Belfield has tucked away his money and squirreled it away. If Jeremy Vine can get a payout, these others should also get a payout. Each of them suffered serious mental health problems because of this. And it's the same sort of thing that you get if you've been exposed to reality TV. It's about a loss of agency. It's about feeling that you are no longer in control of your own life and there is nobody to support you.